Weather Bell Analytics, meteorologist Joe Basari, your Go Salt Outlook. We've certainly had a lot of snow and ice over the interior Northeast and in the Midwest, Great Lakes here over the last week. This last shot that's coming with this current brutal attack of cold air that will last into next week, then back off after. The 24-hour period ending Saturday morning, you can see where the 2 inches of snow is. It's mostly sleet and freezing rain down here along this southern border area. There is going to be some snow all the way down to the Mason-Dixon line, but it goes to ice and then to rain, and to rain pretty quickly along the coast after some snow accumulation. It's probably going to be 2-3 inches around New York and out on Long Island and into southern New England here too. What's a little bit disappointing to me as a forecaster is this has shifted north over the past couple of days about 100 miles, and it makes a big difference. I'm kind of surprised to see that, but that's the nature of the game. Of course, Chicago's been getting pounded. The 24 hours period ending 12Z Sunday, you can see what the snow looks like. And then we've got some light snows in the back of it, and then it basically lets up for a while. There is a possibility along around the 21st and 22nd that this can shift south, but so far most of the shifts have been north. You can see the same area keeps getting hit time after time. The totals here over the next 7 or 8 days look like this. Now, I don't want people to lose heart here. This is Chicago's meteogram out of the Brazilian Weather Service for the rest of the winter. And you can see it just pounding away in here with snow. This is -6C. So it sees this, see there's a cold shock that's coming Monday. And you see it moderate and then it goes back down. And this is about the coldest winter I've ever seen in Chicago forecasted on a model. The normal high is -1C. It claims it won't get there the rest of the winter. When you look further east, and these temperatures here for Washington, D.C., you can see these spikes, but you can see the snow showing up. Washington or Atlanta, let me see. Yeah, there's Atlanta. Okay, so here's D.C. Let me get back to D.C. here for you. The normal high in D.C. in the dead of winter is 7C. So you can see it's spending most of its time below that. Some big snowstorm. Remember, Washington's normal snowfall is only 16 inches. People lose track of that. Here's Atlanta, Georgia, and this is just crazy to see that. The normal high is about 11C. So you can see that the model, and look at how that's the one thing we want to also let you know. This winter is going to go into April. I mean, I'm fired up at mid-January, mid-April. It's like 13, 14, 14, 15. Even last year we were having snow to deal with in early April. For those of you who haven't caught this, our winter forecast, you can already see the snow being targeted in these areas that we forecasted above normal for the winter. Now, it's not into here yet, but it's early, and you can see, we've had a lot of snow out in the west. Now, of course, this was issued back in October, and then it was reissued in November. So we've been seeing this for quite some time. So this first shot, is triumph in some places, tragedy in others. It wasn't as much as it could have been. And even in this mild period coming up over the next 2-3 weeks, the normals are low, so you can still get snow. But I'm just letting you know that you saw how we told you how cold it was going to get in December against the models, against everyone else. And a lot of times the snow becomes a little bit tricky at this time of the year. But it's coming back again. It's going to come back gangbusters. And remember, the normals are lower once you get into January and February. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.